You asked, how to divide 16,807 by 3 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 16. 16 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 16 minus 15 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 5,602 remainder 1.